H, Success Lines, Wellness and Lifestyle channel. In this fashion edition, I am going to show you just a few of my recent purchases towards the end of the year that will transition from summer to fall. I would love to have you as a subscriber. I do wellness, which is my profession, and lifestyle content, which is my passion for fashion and beauty. So I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Now sit back, relax, and let's get started.